fishy? It's fun to be creative with salvaged things, hey? We live in a yurt in the forest.
Because of the COVID-19, we had to cancel a lot of our tours in the summertime and the fall. That's why we started building the sauna this spring. We are finally done.
And we've been enjoying it, and we thought we would share our project with you. Building started in May. We don't have many photos or videos from the early stages of our project because we had no idea at that time that we would have a YouTube channel. We used recycled materials to create a rustic feeling. Kind of looks like we're in a spaceship, Tomohiro. And I love the window and the door. This window was actually part of this door over here. The clear cedar is going to be where our backs are going to touch. We're using the salvaged cedar to finish off the top here. This was the old door made into a window, and this is going to be our little vent. You can see the trees! We got these old boards from a fence that was being torn down at the place where Tomohiro and I met for the first time. These cedar shingles adorned with lichen and moss were once someone's old roof. The tin was leftover construction material a carpenter we know no longer needed. It's gonna be amazing! Look at the reflection of the trees there. This is gonna have a bath. 1, 2, 3. Good girl. This bathtub was purchased at our favorite antique shop in Whitehorse. This propane-operated on-demand hot water heater is a luxury we've never had at the yurt. It's hot in here.
super exciting.